In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website pictures in Squarespace. If you want to refresh the look of your site, update branding, or simply swap out an older image for a better one, Squarespace makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to replace an existing image using the built-in editing tools, so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Squarespace page and locate the current image you want to update. Click directly on that image to select it. This tells Squarespace which image block or section you want to work with, and it brings up the controls related to that specific picture. Make sure you're clicking the correct image before moving on, especially if your page has several visuals close together. Once the image is selected, click the pencil icon to edit it. This icon opens the image settings where you can make changes to the current picture. Think of this as the main editing area for that image block. If you don't see the pencil right away, hover over the image for a moment and it should appear. After the edit window opens, click on Replace. This is the option that lets you swap the current image with a different one without having to rebuild the section from scratch. It's the quickest way to keep your layout the same while updating the visual itself. At this point, Squarespace will show you options for where your new image should come from. You can either upload a file from your device or choose one from your existing library. This is helpful because it gives you flexibility depending on whether the image is brand new or already stored in your site's media collection. For this method, click on Select from Library. That will open your image library where you can browse through media you've already added to Squarespace. This can save time and helps keep your site assets organized, especially if you reuse images across multiple pages. Next, select the image you want to use. Take a second to confirm it's the right one and that it matches the style and dimensions you want for the page. Choosing a clear, properly sized image can help your website look more polished and load more smoothly. Finally, click Add. Once you do that, Squarespace will apply the selected image in place of the old one. Your website picture has now been changed. And that's it. That's how to change website pictures in Squarespace using the Replace option and your image library.